Hi everyone, this is Richa Mehta, and we are live here today for the new episode of Trending Live with Richa Mehta. The show is powered by Ramratan Group, one of India's leading real estate developers, in association with Khwahish by Tamanna, an exclusive collection of chicken curry dresses for modern women, Fashion Screws, one of the best event management companies in Delhi, and YouthNews.online, India's trending news page. We would welcome to the lady who wears many hats and proudly represents India for badminton, a Commonwealth gold medalist, national champion, someone who has worked and started a lot of social initiatives, and considered amongst one of the most inspiring sportswomen of India. She's none other than Jwala Gutta.
Hi.
Hi Jwala, welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Indeed, a privilege and honor to have you today.
Thank you. Thank you.
Few words our viewers would like to know before I explain the format.
Okay. Few words. I think we are going through a very tough period. I think the whole world is. But I think there are lot many more people who are going through even worse situation than us. I think I think they are hardly able to afford the basic necessities which a human needs. So even though the lockdown is slowly opening up, the cases are going. Cases are rising. I hope the people who can afford to stay home should still stay home and still act responsibly, and yeah, just stay positive and look ahead at future with positive attitude. I think that's more than enough. You don't have to. I know it's difficult. Very difficult thing to do than to say, but I think we have to look forward. We have to be positive. We will overcome this.
I would also like to tell our viewers amongst the top notch, the award medals you have won. I'm sure there were so many, but I have listed down few for our viewers to know.
Mm.
You have been awarded Arjuna Award in 2011, silver medal in Super Series finals in 2009, bronze world championship in 2011, 14 times national champion, gold and silver at Commonwealth Games in 2010 and 14. First doubles badminton player from India to be amongst top 10 in 2010, ranked 6th and later ranked 10th. Asia and Uber Cup bronze medalist in 2014. Wow. Wow. I mean, incredible journey, and what the inspiration you are for our viewers.
Yeah, thank you. Well, this is what me and my family wanted to do, and yeah, I'm glad I was able to do something. I hope I'm able to inspire and motivate other people, especially women, to do what they believe in and go forward.
Totally. So I'll quickly explain you the format of the show. The show will be of 7 to 10 minutes, having 3 rounds, all based on fun, entertainment, musty, chillax, movement, and everything. Okay. The
Okay.
first is a rapid fire round. I'll quickly ask questions, and you need to
Okay.
answer them. Okay?
Okay.
You had inclination towards sports since an early age. Who or what do you think to make you follow your passion?
Inclination, I think, when I got into sports, I was just a 4-year old, 5-year old. child, that time you really don't know what is dedication, determination, or even inclination. You don't really know what's happening. You're just having fun. You do what gives you happiness, and you're just doing things to have fun. Even if you go to school, kindergarten or the preschool, which you go as a child, you're just going to have fun. If you're not having fun, you wouldn't want to do it at that age. But I think it was my parents and my dad especially. He was very dedicated towards me and my career. I think till the age of 13, 14, you really don't realize what is actually happening. It was the kind of exposure my father, put. My mom, obviously, joined in later in our journey, and yeah, it was no looking back. I think I was very good at grasping things. I'm very good at learning things. I learn things very fast. And I came into the Indian team in 1999. It was just 4 or 5 years since I'd started badminton, and the progress also was really quick. So I think it was all because of my dad and his vision, basically. Otherwise, I don't think a small child would know what to do at that age. So me being a woman, picking up sports from an early age as a profession was was never heard of, at that time, around 93, 94. And we took it as profession from the beginning. There was no I was not going to do any engineering, or I definitely finished my graduation. Education was important in my family. The basic education. I should know how to speak. I should know what I'm saying. I should have the capability of understanding things beyond badminton, and that's why I went ahead and finished my education as well. But badminton or any other sport was going to be my profession from the beginning.
You always played different styles in badminton and achieved success in almost all of them. Which one do you like the most and why?
I always liked challenges, and I enjoyed mixed doubles more is because there was always a guy in front of me, so it was always a challenge to play, against a guy. With a guy, of course, I have a guy on my side as well, but the very natural way you try to think that the woman in the team is weaker. So I was always tested and pushed, but I was always able to score. So that kind of a challenge was what I always enjoyed. So mixed doubles is what I really enjoyed playing, and I've played one of the best matches in my life. We beat world champions, we beat Olympic champions. We were number 6 in the world, and we've won so many tournaments, Diju and me. So mixed doubles would definitely be my favorite.
So describe any three moments. I'm sure there must be many, but three moments in your play which are very special to you.
I think 2009, 2009, we went to Korea Open, and we were supposed to play. I was supposed to play in my mixed doubles the first round. I was supposed to play world number 1. And the immediate attitude in the team was like, it's world number 1, they are anyway going to, not win. And and they were discussing about what to do next after the match, and I was wondering कि अभी तक match खत्म नहीं हुआ है. Why is this the negative attitude towards, और कभी सुना नहीं है कि इंडिया से मिक्स डबल्स में वर्ल्ड नंबर 1 को कभी हराया है. So I think that kind of came naturally, but I again, I was not ready to give up so soon. So I went there. Of course, we're playing against the world number 1. We don't have anything to lose. And once the match started, I saw that I was able to score points very easily, and slowly, gradually in the match, it kind of picked up. So we beat the world number 1 in Korea Open in the first round. And although we went till the semi-finals, it was a great achievement, even by an Indian then. I think that beating world number one is kind of very special because it kind of shut everybody up back home, who were always criticizing me and my beliefs. I believed in my skills and it disturbed a lot of people. It was very funny, but yeah, that's how. So that, and I think obviously the Commonwealth Games, again same attitude. नहीं जीतेंगे ऐसी है, एक ही सिंगल्स प्लेयर्स ही जीत सकते हैं. रोज वही आर्टिकल वी यूज्ड टू read the same article every day ki doubles cannot do anything, singles only will win. And when we won the Commonwealth Games, we were the first women to win the gold medal for the country in badminton, and that kind of shut everybody. So that was another special moment. The next, I would say, World Championships, which we won. But I think more than World Championships, the day I got qualified for Olympics was very special because that again was, never heard of. Doubles had never qualified for Olympics, and Olympics साल में 4 साल में एक बार आता है. So I think that was also a very special moment.
Even I agree. I don't know. Still, there are issues when a woman comes up, and there are everybody who let a woman down.
Yeah.
Everybody should have it in them that खुद से चाहो और खुद से इतना determined रहो that that you can face all challenges if you are okay, if you have that confidence.
That, and then when you have confidence, then you're labeled as, especially if a woman is confident, she's arrogant, she has an attitude, she's overconfident, पता नहीं अपने आप को क्या सोचती है. These kind of labels were very easy to put it to me, and I don't know, they still think I was very arrogant.
Everybody who's succeeding in life, especially women, ये सब उन्होंने सुना होगा. ये उन्होंने हमें, I mean, everybody who's watching this show, I'm sure that वो बोलेंगे हाँ. I mean, because everybody faced this, and this is something.
Sadly, a lot of women were doing that,
This,
and then I never believed that a woman is a woman's greatest enemy. But I'm not saying they're enemies, but a lot of women also put you down. That is not what we should be doing. I think women are in minority now. We are all fighting for equal rights, equal opportunity, equal treatment. And at this point, if you are trying to put another woman down, that only gives the courage and strength to other side to put women down. Right now, whether we agree with something or not, I think difference of opinion is fine. It should be respected. But I still would request all the women never, even unintentionally, don't put another woman down.
Yes, we can be together as par. I mean, we can come together as par. We can help each other. We can grow together. एक और एक 11 हो मिल जाए तो उससे अच्छी बात क्या है?
Yes.
Wonderful. Very well answered. Okay. So another thing which our viewers would like to know is that who is one doubles partner you have the best coordination?
Diju, my mixed doubles partner. He's Keralite. And also because I think Diju और मैं almost same age के थे. Ashwini मेरे से बहुत छोटी है. But Diju and me were of same age. तो मैं अगर कभी गुस्सा भी हूँ तो वो समझ जाता था. Ashwini is my junior, तो she used to, कभी उस पे मैंने गुस्सा नहीं किया है, but always I intimidated her, कि oh ज्वाला, it's ज्वाला का बात सुनना ही चाहिए. I never said that, but that's the kind of feeling the other person would have. But did you and me most definitely.
Okay. What according to you was a turning point in your career?
टर्निंग पॉइंट 2010 कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स, क्योंकि उसके पहले मैं और डिजू बहुत जीत रहे थे. वी वर वर्ल्ड नंबर 6, बट स्टिल पीपल वर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट अस. आवर एसोसिएशन, हमारे जो कोचेस थे हमारे बारे में बात नहीं कर रहे थे. I don't know what the problem was. I always try to find out the problem, but कभी हमें बहुत नीचा देखते थे, like दिखाते थे, like even though they were number 6, it doesn't matter kind of a feeling. But I think 2010 it changed everything because the media's perception, Indian media's perception about me changed after seeing that we won the gold. I think that, and then public eye mein we played in front of our home crowd, so even the Indian audience started taking us seriously. So that happened, and I think 2010 Commonwealth Games.
Okay. How would you describe your experience working in Telugu movie? Even though it was a song, what was going through your mind when it was your first day and you were shooting for it?
I wanted to pack up. I said, I'm giving up. I can't do this. This is not what I expected, because, I thought ek gana hai, honge 10-20 log. But when I went there, there were like 200 people, and I was like, oh my God, I cannot do it. And, my friend was the actor and he was the producer also. He was the hero, and he's a very big star over here. And, oh my God, he kind of conned me, I feel, usne. But then I couldn't go back on my words. They invested and they spent a lot of they made a lot of effort, made the song for me. There was my name in that song, so they kind of made the song specially for me. Then I somehow tried, but I don't think I'll ever do it again. Yeah, it's very difficult. I'm not meant to be in front of the camera. I'm not a good actress as well, so I can't do it.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
As a woman, how does it feel to represent India worldwide?
Like हमारे घर में there was no discrimination कि तुम लड़की हो, मतलब घर में, मतलब my immediate family. But the reason why my dad put me in sports was that I'm the first girl child in the whole family. All my cousins are boys. So my dad has 5 other siblings and they all have two boys. So I was the first girl child, and जब मैं पैदा हुई तो they were like, oh हो लड़की पैदा हो गई, that kind of an attitude. So that's when my dad decided कि मैं इसे लड़के से भी अच्छा बनाऊंगा. So it was never that, you being a woman, you represented. I think me being an Indian, I was very proud to represent the country. That was the aim, and I did it for almost 18 19 years of my life. So I'm very proud about it. If I'm अगर लोग सोचेंगे कि तुम इतनी proud क्यों हो, तो I think I have a lot of reasons to be proud of.
Yes, totally. Okay. Very well answered. Now we move on to round two. So the round two is it's a game. Okay.
Okay.
You rather. So I'll just give you 2 options. You have to choose one.
Okay.
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 So would you rather go into the past and meet your ancestors, or go into the future and meet your great grandchildren?
Go into the future.
Go into the future. Okay.
I love kids. And I think जो past में हो गया, I don't want to change anything. But if I can go in future and if I can warn them of something, I think that will be better.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Would you rather have more time or more money?
If I have more time, I'll have more money. So more time.
Smarty answer. Would you rather have a rewind button or a pause button in your life?
Rewind or pause? Oh my God. I pause maybe. I don't want to rewind anything.
Pause.
So pause. Yeah. I can take some rest. Yeah.
Would you rather be without internet for a week or without your phone?
Without your food?
Phone. Without
Phone
internet or without phone?
I need internet for my phone, right?
Yeah, but if you have to choose one. I know they're correlated, but if you want to choose internet or phone.
I think now even on phone, you're really browsing most of the time. So internet. I could use my laptop.
Okay.
I'm very bad at answering calls, so I don't mind not answering few phone calls, but yeah, internet.
Nice. Okay. Would you rather make a phone call or send a text? You have already answered though.
Text.
Would you rather read an awesome book or watch a good movie?
Movie. I sleep. I can't read. So I watch a lot of movies. So yeah.
Would you rather be the most popular person in the room or the smartest?
Smartest. If
Smart
you're
होंगे-
smart, you're popular.
Exactly. Smart होंगे तो popular बन ही जाएंगे.
Yeah. And even if that doesn't happen, if I'm smart, it wouldn't matter to me.
True. True. Would you rather be stuck in an island alone or with someone who talks too much?
I don't mind stuck with somebody who talks too much. There'll be some entertainment. I don't like. I'm not a loner. I like people around me.
सही बात है. जब चुप कराना होगा तो चुप करा भी सकते हैं.
Yeah. Yeah, सो जाऊंगी. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, right. Okay. Would you rather have unlimited international first class tickets or never have to pay for food at restaurants?
I can pay for food. I think first class tickets.
First class tickets.
Yeah.
Okay. Would you rather travel in the world for a year on shoestring budget or stay in only one country for a year with
With luxury.
luxury?
Yeah, the second one. I'm not a backpacker. I'm not
Okay.
a sightseeing person, and I'm allergic to sun. So I like to stay at one place and have all the luxury.
Probably answered, and it was quite quick also. So
Yeah.
before we the next round, we have a small surprise for our viewers. Rather,
Okay.
a luxury prize, which is sponsored, which is powered by Ramratan Group. And let's watch it first.
Okay.
Welcome back, everyone. And now we move on to the round three. Round three is an interesting game which says never have I ever. Have you played game?
Yeah, I've played with my friends.
Okay. So since because we are doing it virtually, and
Okay.
I will ask you a few questions. If you have done
Okay.
that, one punishment. Okay.
What punishment?
It will be very something like singing a song or
Oh my god.
clean up for 10 seconds. It's a very cute punishments which we have.
Okay. So if I don't answer, I get punished.
Yes.
Okay. I'll answer everything.
No, so if you have answered and you have done it, then there is a punishment. So never
If
have
I've
I
not-
ever. Yeah.
Oh,
So I'll tell-
if I've not done it, there's no
Yes.
punishment. Oh my
Yes.
god.
Okay. So let's
Okay.
start. Never have I ever bungee jumping. Have you done bungee jumping?
No. I hate heights. I have not.
Never have I ever shoplifted.
No. Never.
ऐसे तो आप सभी आंसर करते होंगे. Okay.
No, but never. That's,
Okay.
I've never done anything like that. See, I'm a very law-abiding citizen. I'm very scared of such things. I also went for examinations, and everybody knew me. Then it was like, oh, Jwala's come, Jwala. So they were ready to help me also with my answers, and I was so scared कि अगर एक बार इज्जत चली गई तो चली गई, फिर नहीं आएगी. So I'm very scared of doing such things. Although it could be harmless, but I can't indulge in such things.
Wow. Okay. Never have I ever stolen something from hotel room. Pick
No.
those free.
Never.
No.
Never. Why would I? Every week I'm in a different. No. Every week every week we go to a different hotel, and all are 5 stars and 7 stars. So there's no point. I've lived out of bags like for 19 years.
Oh.
So doesn't make sense, right? कभी अगर फिर से जाना नहीं हुआ तो then oh ये कितना अच्छा है, but no, never.
Okay.
I don't know. I can't believe people do that actually. When I hear
Yeah.
stories, I'm like, why are they doing this?
No,
It's embarrassing.
I do it. I mean,
Okay.
picking forest essentials products, and have. I mean, I really love it. I mean, I like all.
I don't know. I
Okay.
wouldn't. Yeah.
Okay. Never have I ever lied to my best friend. ये तो क्या होगा?
To my best friend,
Yes.
can I tell you something? I don't lie. That's why I'm always in trouble. That's why I'm infamous. I'm
Wow.
always getting caught. My parents catch me, so I can't lie. If I start lying, my whole face starts shaking. You know.
Oh.
So that's one thing I've never learned. And being diplomatic, I've never learned. I've never learned to lie. I can't please people. I can't give ego massages. There's so many problems with me. Although I'm supposed to be normal, but this is not normal anymore. you know but to my best friend though, I lied to my parents, white
Okay.
lies. But nothing. My best friends know everything about me.
Okay. Never.
Everything, every detail.
Okay. Okay. That's nice. मुझे कुछ questions easy करना पड़ेगा. ऐसे तो सारे answer आपके सही हैं.
Yeah.
Okay. Never have I ever ate seafood.
I've eaten seafood.
Okay,
Oh
that's
my
super.
god. But that's so silly, right? Everybody's eaten seafood. I love seafood.
I just changed the question. Okay,
Oh.
the punishment is for you to sing a Bollywood song.
Oh my god. Which one? Give me a song.
कोई भी.
Um. Oh my god, nothing on top of my head because suddenly nothing comes in my head. I'm all blank.
Or you can stare on the screen for 10 seconds without blinking. Can you
No,
do
I
that?
can sing.
Okay.
Tell me a song. वादा रहा सनम, होंगे जुदा न हम, चाहे न चाहे जमाना. That's it.
Nice. Very well. Okay. Never have I ever made a fake account on social
Never. I never needed to. I'm very
media.
vocal on my social media, so yeah.
Never have I ever bashed someone.
Bashed someone? Slap is okay. Slap is also counted or what?
Yes. Yes.
I
Slap.
have. So
Ah.
I have traveled in local buses, and there we used to wear school skirts, right? So a lot of, and I was always the tall one. I'm very tall. I'm almost 6. So yeah, when people have misbehaved, I have slapped them.
Okay.
I've
Now-
never kept quiet. So yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. What's the punishment?
Stare on screen for 10 seconds without blinking.
Okay.
Okay. Start. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
One. Oh my god. I wear lens, no?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
The last one.
Okay.
Never have I ever paid compliment.
No.
Just
I don't. No, I don't. I compliment people when I mean it. I think one of the good things which I have is that I see good in everybody, and I'm sure everybody has a lot of goodness in them, but you evolve because of situation and things around, because of your desires. But that doesn't mean that everybody is bad. So I've never fake complimented. Yeah.
superbly answered. And just last one thing. I mean, before we start with the vote of thanks. So,
Okay.
give me 5 words which describes Jwala.
5 words. Truthful. easygoing,
Hmm.
principled, uh, lazy.
Okay.
I am
Last.
lazy, and I'm a foodie.
Good. Okay. All right. So before we start with the word of thanks, I would like the production to display a few questions because there were a lot of people who complimented on your bindas attitude and being straightforward, but there were a few questions which were asked by them.
Okay.
So Shagun Setia asks, any plans for Bollywood or who would you want to act in a biopic? Some actress.
Um, I think I am not going to act for sure. But if anybody who I can connect to is, I think, Kareena Kapoor. I would choose her. She's a great actress. I'm a big fan, and I am also like her. Lived life in my own terms, and I think she would really understand my story.
Nice. Okay, so there's a big question by Devashri. Thank you, Richa, for bringing one of the greatest shuttler of India on the show. Always appreciate your Jwala for being vocal and supporting social initiatives. Still remember the moment when you bagged a gold medal in CWG Jwala. What are your future plans? So
My
Devashri would
I've Yeah, I've built an academy. It was supposed to be launched on in April, but unfortunately, this thing
okay.
happened. But yeah, I'm waiting to launch the academy. It's one of a kind. It's one of the biggest in the country, and I've put a lot of thought behind it, and we've made it with a lot of love and passion for sports. So I'm looking forward to that.
So Ashish Mehta says you're a great inspiration, Jwala. Can you explain to people on how to go about their career from the beginning? If someone is keen on playing badminton, can he or she take it as a career?
Of course, you can take it as a career now. I think badminton globally is also growing, so you can take it up as a career. You just need to go to a facility and start playing, and then I think now you know where to actually go. There's so many academies around the country, but choose your coach properly. I think coach having a good coach is very important, and use the government facilities. I think, yeah, there's so many government facilities all around the country. Use it. We're supposed to use it. Create the demand.
So somebody asked, what does kindness means to you?
Kindness means it should come naturally. We as human should have this kindness, the quality, the nature, which should come automatically. But sadly, I think now it's very difficult, very rare to see that people are kind to each other. I think people have forgotten that we'll all live together in a society. We all need each other in society. So kindness is one of the important qualities which makes a human whole.
You know, the person who has asked this question, he is doing hashtag kind20 with Bipasha Basu, Shamita Shetty, and even I am part of it. He's just running it across the globe, and that's on how what kindness means to you, and maybe that's why he just asked you the same.
Mm, mm. Okay.
Shagun has like your name, you have shaken the badminton world, which I am sure about after an interview. How does it feel to be one of those greats of sporting world?
Feels good. I think it also puts a lot of responsibility on me. I think a lot of people are looking up to me, so I have to, uh, you know, uh, whatever I do or say here on, I have to do it responsibly. And I already feel that there is a lot of responsibility on me today because I think a lot of girls are also looking up to me. And that's why I made this academy so that, I'm able to make a safe environment for people who, like to take sports as a career. And I also encourage education along with sports. So I have a lot of responsibility on me, and I hope I'm able to keep up the expectations.
So Khwahish Tamanna, who is one of the sponsors of the show, has asked, besides sports, what's your hobby?
I watch a lot of TV, and I'm a foodie. So that, I don't know if that's my hobby, but now I'm slowly starting to bake. I'm trying to learn how to bake. There's an oven in my house, and I've never used it, so I'm planning to start using it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. My father says, God bless you always, Jwala.
Thank you, thank you.
So now, since we have almost answers, we cannot take it further because we have already crossed the time limit. So here we come to the end of the show, Trending Live with Richa Mehta, powered by Ram Ratan Group in association with Khwahish by Tamanna, Fashion News Cruise, and youthnews.online. Also, thanks to the Artful label which I am carrying today, I'm wearing today, is by Deepika Mishra. And thank you everyone for watching the show. You can like, subscribe, and follow us. We are going live through this medium to 5 digital platforms. That's what digitalization is all about. That's how it's helping us. Extending my heartfelt thanks to Jwala for taking out time and inspiring everyone. How was your experience, Jwala, in this quickie chat show?
Thank you for having me. It's always a pleasure to speak to someone who is curious about, want to know more about me. Because I think somewhere in this fast growing world, we're not able to connect with everybody. So I think, and many people are very, judgmental, based on how I am and what I say. So it's nice. It was a fun chat. I also sang for the first time, so it's my debut. So so I'm glad you invited me. It was a pleasure.
Any final message you want to pass on to the youth, to the youngsters who are watching the show?
The only message I have to the youth is have patience. I think we are all, the youth especially, is running out of patience. There's no shortcut to success. And be more than being a successful person, being a good human is what people will remember you by. You might earn a lot of money, you might earn a lot of, you might drive the fanciest car, but if you're not a good human, it's not worth it.
Totally Vilas, and such an inspiration for everybody who have so many things inside, but they're not able to, share it with anybody. Thank you so much for joining today. Thank you
Thank
everyone for.
you.
We'll catch again on Saturday with another celebrity from different genre. Thank you and adios.
Thank you.